Welcome. Welcome to our channel Way to IIM. This is Divisibility Part 2, in which you will learn that how to find the divisibility of a number by 3, 9, 7, 11 and 13. You have learnt already about the powers of 2 and the powers of 5. Let us start. Divisibility of a number by 3 and 9. It is pretty easy to find the divisibility of a number by 3 and 9. What you have to do is to find the sum of the digits of the number, which is actually known as digit sum. Then whatever be the digit sum. Now what is digit sum? Firstly, let us take the example of 253. And what is the digit sum? 2 plus 5, 5 plus 3. That is 2 plus 5 plus 3, which is equal to 10. So that is known as digit sum. Hope you understand it. Now divide that digit sum by 3 or 9, whatever number you want to check. I am only talking about 3 and 9. So let us take, if we want to check the divisibility of 253 by 3. Now digit sum is 10. 10 is divisible by 3 or not? No, 10 is not divisible by 3. So if that is divisible, then number is divisible. No, then number is not divisible. So 10 is not divisible by 3. It means 253 is also not divisible by 3. Now when we divide 10 by 3, the remainder is what? Remainder is 1. Then similarly, if we divide 253 by 3, then the remainder is itself 1. So that is important thing in this trick. Okay. Now this rule is only effective for 3 and 9, whether it is remainder rule, whether it is finding the divisibility by digit sum, not for other numbers. Now we will learn to find the divisibility of a number by 7. See, somehow finding the divisibility of a number by 7, I also felt that it is some tricky. Why it is tricky? Well, even by trick it is some tricky, because we have to learn a series. What is that series? Maybe it is difficult for me to learn that series, but you are talented students, you can do that easily. I felt that series is simple, 1 2 3 1 2 3, but there is some important thing. What is that? That from the second digit, that is from first second 2, you have to put a minus sign till the second one, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 3. Now to understand it, how to use that series to find the divisibility, let us take example. Let us find the divisibility of the number 261998 by 7. See, write 261998 your number. Below your number, write that series 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 3. So whatever be the number is below the number digit or numbers digit, simply multiply them. Now what is below 2? 2 below 2 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, 1 into minus 3 minus 3, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 9 into 2 18, 8 into 3 24. Sorry for the alignment in this slide, but you can understand it. Now what are all these numbers come? You have to simply add them. Now 2 plus minus 12 is minus 10, minus 10 minus 3 minus 19, minus 19 minus 9 minus 28 plus 18 minus 10 sorry 24 18 I'm sorry, actually I've done some mistake here, but you can see 24 plus 18 plus 2, it is 44, minus 12 minus 3 minus 9 is minus 24. So 44 minus 24 is 20. Now you know that 20 is not divisible by 7, because if we remember table of 7, then what comes to 7 14 21. See, I'm talking some nonsense, because everyone know what is that 20 is not divisible by 7. So if 20 is not divisible by 7, then the number itself, that is 261998, is also not divisible by 7. Now we will learn how to find the divisibility of a number by 11. It is also easy. What you have to do in 3 and 9, we simply add up the digits, then find whether the sum is not divisible or divisible. But here's something special. What is special? We will not add all the digits. What we will do, that we will start counting from right. that if a number is 1 2 3, then 3 is our first digit, 2 is our second digit, 1 is our third digit. And what we do at the odd places digits, all the odd places digits, firstly we add them, then we add the even places digits. So in 1 2 3, what are the odd places digits? 3 and 1. So and 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Now even place only 1, which is 2. Now what we will do, sum of the odd places digits minus sum of the even places digits. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. Now whatever the resultant figure comes, now in this example of 1 2 3, the figure comes is 2. What we have to do is to find whether that number is divisible by 11. Now 2 is not divisible by 11, it means the number 1 2 3 is also not divisible by 11. Okay, now we will check another example in it. Now we check the divisibility of 3 4 5 6 7 7 by 11. Start counting from right. What are our odd places digits? They are 7 6 and 4. Even places are also 7 5 and 3. Now sum of odd places digits is equal to 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 4 17, and sum of even places digits 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15. Now put in the formula, 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. Again 2 is not divisible by 11, which we know that. So it means our number 3 4 5 6 7 7 is also not divisible by 11. Now we will find out the divisibility of the number by 13. See, this method is similar to that of the 7. What we would do in finding the divisibility of number by 7, we remember the series 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 3. Now we have to remember here the series 1 4 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Now take an example of it also. Let us take the example of 6 7 8 9 0 5. Simply write 6 7 8 9 0 5. Below that write our series 1 4 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Now 6 into 1 is 6, 7 into 4 is 28, 8 into 3 is 24, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 0 into minus 4 is 0 itself, 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. 28 plus 6, what comes? 34. 34 plus 24 is 58, minus 9 is 49, and minus 15 is 34. Now whether 34 is divisible by 13? No, because 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. Hence our number, that is 6 7 8 9 0 5, is also not divisible by 13. Now to remember these tricks, let us write your questions which you have to practice on your own, so that you get perfectionist in using these tricks. What are that? Check and write these questions in your notebook, in which you have to check the divisibility by 3 7 11 13 and so on. So I wait for you so that you can write this. You can take a screenshot also. I hope that you write by now. So let us move ahead. Okay, so for today I would like to wrap up this video. Any doubt, any clarification, any feedback which you want to give me, you can simply write on my mail ID, which is feedback@gmail.com. Until then, thank you so much.